Hello, YouTube. They're like handing out dollar bills today. Today is May 10th at 3:30. And we're back making a YouTube video. I'm bagging on at stockmarketcaddy.com. See this little 240? This is the comfortable little number we made before noon. Then I was supposed to go play golf, but who could go play golf when the market's doing what it's doing? What a beautiful thing. Are you getting yourself all caught up in this noise, this news/noise from the Contrarian News Bubble channel and about, China? China, we got a deal. China, we don't have a deal. China loves me. China loves me not. Total nonsense. Total garbage. But let me show you. This is what we call, let me move this little tool out of the way, or actually up here. We call the swing machine. The swing machine. Now, we were trading the 1 minute this morning and trading it aggressively. And that meant, that we had about 4 or 5 trades, up until 1 or 2 o'clock. And we made some nice money. Check this out. 1 minute, 2:37. Let's check out the time. That's today now, folks. Okay, today's the 10th. It's 3:28. So at 2:37, 53 minutes ago, you could have gone long the ES contract and you'd be up 1175. How about the NQ? 51 minutes ago and been up 1400. The Russell 800, 795 to be exact, and the Dow 1000. If you did one in each, you'd be up 4,000 or 5,000. Well, how come, Bagger, you're only up 270? Because I wasn't here. I was talking to a buddy outside while I was getting my mail. It was an expensive mail trip. We started bullshitting about what we're going to do this weekend. The market doesn't wait for anybody. Now, do I know what's going to happen on Monday? No. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday? No. Can we make some prognostications based on our algorithms when we look at them at night? Absolutely. But can we trade during the day? Absolutely. We do. Every day. Day in, day out. Now, these futures contracts are called mini contracts. Mini. They use on average, about $4,000 to $5,000 in margin. $4,000 to $5,000 in margin. That's about what they use. The brokerages will give you some deals. We use a little bit less. That just means that's the amount of money you got to more or less have in your account. However, they also have now micro contracts. And so they're 1/10. So if you didn't want to make 1,000, you only want to make 100, you would make 1/10 of this. And 1/10 of that, 1/10 of that, 1/10 of that. How much margin does that take? About $500, if that. So you say, oh, it's only $100. Well, it's still 20% return on your 500. A great place to learn by using now the new micro contracts. They were only available starting on May 2nd of last week. They weren't available. I wish they were available for me. They're available today. The only thing you need is an education. You need, we think, the swing machine. You need systems. You need strategies. Now, can you do this? Yes, you can. Yes. Can you develop this in a week or a month? No freaking way. Did we develop this in the last 6 months, the last 2 years, the last 5 years, the last 10 years? No. We developed this like 15 to 20 years ago and honed it 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 some more. We work hard. Will we share this technology and this approach with like-minded folks? Yes. But you got to get off your butt and give us a call. You got to talk to me. Sorry, but I want to talk to each person that joins. We're not a mass producer. We don't advertise. I want to make sure it's a good fit. And you want to make sure. You want to check me out. I want to check you out. Yeah, it can be reached at 813-758-8263. I'm going to go up here and close this 175. 813-758-8263. Give me a call. I'm going to be here for another 2 hours on Friday, winding up, doing my paperwork, closing up my business for the week. This is a business. The trading is a business. Stock Market Caddy, teaching like-minded people, is my passion. I like to teach. I like to see people go off and do well, make more money than me, and never look back. All powerful. Very empowering. But feel free, and/or over the weekend. If I'm available, I'll pick it up. Always. It's up to you. You can either start or you can stop and never look, never, and be content for whatever the market brings. Last week on Sunday night, the Dow gapped down 500 points. It gapped down 1 or 2%. The market could gap down 10%. Did you know that? It could. And they do what they call a limit down. And it could gap down the next day and gap down the next day and gap down the next day. Do you know on 9/11 the market was closed for 5 days? Is that possible? Yes, it is. Is it likely? Not really. But is it possible? Yes. The only way to skin that cat that we know is to trade intraday. Intraday. We're in cash every night. Feel free. Give me a call. The markets aren't waiting. I hope to be here for a good long time. I want to live forever. Up to you. Good night. Have a great weekend, everyone.